yucky thing, Bonnie.
Oh. Ew. What is that?
And look at that big, huge fish. More.
What is that? A shark?
That big,
No, it's a giant,
huge
giant
fish.
dead one.
Huge.
And look at those ones.
Oh, these are all the little
They're
crawdads.
huge.
Wow, look at that guy. Look at the big dead one of those.
Oh, yeah.
Big dead one.
It's a full-grown salmon.
Apple brown thing.
There.
Wait. Look at that one over there. That one. Right
And they're all
there.
going crazy for some reason. Why are they doing that? It's weird. I've never seen them do that. Why are they doing that?
Yeah. Oh, there's one.
They're all swimming up and down.
Oh my! Look at that big fish. It's huge. Look at it.
Wow.
Right there.
It is big.
Very exciting.
Yeah, let's go up there, Daddy. Because it's there. You can go up there.
Oh,
It's so
gosh,
weird.
that dead one.
Whoa, look at that.
Oh, wow, she jumped out of the water. Did you see that?
Look at
Take
that
that.
waterfall up there. Look.
Oh, yeah.
See it. I can see it. Mom, look.
Yep. I see it.
Do you see it, Mommy?
Yep.
Wow. That's a zillion of them.
William.
Whoa. Wow, that's a billion of them. Come here, Mom. Look at that. Look at those polka dot ones. Look.
Yep.
Look at that one. Mom, I can see the waterfall. But I can see it if I go up there.